welcome back. So today is the Friday. This is the 16th of October, and Fridays for me are usually busy. We have fittings, clients coming in, it's always crazy on Fridays. But I want to take you guys with me today. This Friday we're going together. I'm already outside, like, let's just go. Let's go, guys. Let's get going. See you at the shop. So this is the dress that we're working on, guys. This dress is massive. Okay, this dress is massive, but it's huge. I don't know if you're able to see, but it's huge. I will show you how it's going to come out. So what is being done? Okay, so we're just attaching the knit to the top part. That's what's being done. I don't know if you're able to see. These are the type of dresses that you need to eat, okay? You have to eat. Eating is a must. Oh my god. You can barely see what's happening. Okay. Ooh, the next time I'm showing you is when this dress is on a mannequin.
I'm coming.
Alright, okay, great.
10 minutes.
Precedes. Clip, Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and all the socials.